Tired of visitors getting lost on your Wix site? Let's build a user-friendly navigation menu in under 90 seconds. First, access your Wix Editor, and on the left-hand sidebar click on the Pages and Menu icon. To add a new page, click the Add Page button at the bottom of the panel. Name your page clearly and concisely so visitors know exactly where they're going. To reorder your pages, simply drag and drop them within the Pages and Menu panel, placing the most important ones at the top. Want a drop-down menu? Just drag a page slightly to the right, underneath the main page. This nests it as a subpage. Repeat this to create entire drop-down structures. Now, let's customize the menus. Click on the menu on your site, then select Design. Here, you can change fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand. Experiment with different styles until you find one that complements your website's overall aesthetic. Crucially, switch to the mobile editor to ensure your menu is easily accessible on smartphones. Tidy up the mobile menu to keep it clean and intuitive. And there you have it, a well-organized, user-friendly navigation menu that keeps your visitors engaged and exploring your Wix site. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Wix tips.